Dito kailangan mo muna magpa-register. Yan, bago ka makapasok sa loob. Yan.
Hoy, Mitch, paano daw yun?
English lang yun.
May get lost din.
Rusty. Oh, tita, ano tama?
Ang gulo.
Masya ba? Hanapan kita. Alisa.
Wala sa mood.
Makeup pa. Makeup. Thank you. More one. Ate, isa pa. One. Ba't ang ganda mo? May ninang. One, two, three. Nice. Okay na. One, two. Tapos kayo. Ay,
nawala.
wait lang po. One, two, three. One, two, three. Taba po.
Yan. Okay.
Dito pwede na mag-video. Habang hindi pa nag-open, yan, pwede ka nang kumain. King and Queen.
Yes po. Ito po.
Cute ni Lisa. Hindi pa.
Meron silang photo booth. Ayan si Lisa. Ayan, dito meron kang mamimili ka ng perfume. Then, pwede mong i-wish yung couples, yung newlywed. Yan. Tatawag ka dyan, tapos mag-wish ka. Yan, si Nisa, nagpapapicture. Ito yung akin. Ito yung kay Ate Loida. Nadilim mo. Plus ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito din yung akin na perfume.
Ito rin yung
Nakita? Ito yung mga giveaway nila. Yan, yung photo booth. Tapos ito, mamimili ka ng perfume na gusto mo. Saan yan? Mga yan. Meron pa pala sa kabila. Teka, try ko nga pumunta dun. Sushi. Hindi pa nag-open eh. Pero bago ka pumasok, marami ng mga pika-pika. Yan. Bago ka pumasok sa loob, mag-start yung program, busog ka na. Yan. Ang dami lang giveaways. Yan, may perfume, tapos may photo booth. Yan. Ayan na yung bride and groom. Tony tsaka si Meng.
Ganda ni Kuya. Ganun sa akin meron.
Ready na po, tingin lang po sa camera. Steady. Last piece po, square pieces po. Last stations po. Dito po rin sa camera. Ready? Dito sa camera. Last two shots. Okay, sige sa camera. Ready? Last one shot.
Smiling face yan.
Kahit na sino sinasamahan mo.
Bait ka? Bait ka? Ha?
Galang.
Hello po. Sabay na lang po tayo sa countdown.
Six, five, four, three, two, one.
Ako kaya, men, Charissa.
This is the wedding reception program for Mark Vigo and Beth, son de Hornada. Please make yourselves comfortable. Again, we have the members of Moments by Rufa. Our wedding planners and event coordinators, they'll be happy to assist you. They have your names, assignments, and table numbers. They will be glad to help you out find the program. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and make a lot of noise for the Sentimental Groove. The Groove. More music from the Sentimental Groove.
Ate Ros.
Let's have the last two songs of the band for this set. Let's officially start with the program. The wedding reception for Nico and Beth. Hey, happy weekend, everyone. Today is the and we'd like to thank you all for being here on a Friday. We know that most of you might have taken a leave from work or probably even from school. Thank you so much for your love and support for both Nico and Beth. This moment will never happen again. It's once in a lifetime. So thank you so much for your presence. Maraming salamat po for coming over. Welcome to Palacio Cristal de L'Aquila here in Tagaytay City, the premier wedding destination of the country. We promise that the program will be short, simple, yet fun, meaningful, and memorable because there is an after party which will happen immediately after the program. There is a DJ and, of course, the mobile bar will still be up and running by then, okay? Let's party, let's celebrate, and enjoy the rest of the evening as Nico and Beth marry each other today. They have waited for this for 6 long years. So this day is very special for the two of them. They will be here in a few minutes. But before that, I'd like to welcome those who came all the way from Singapore. Where are they? People from from Singapore. The best airport in the planet. Thank you, thank you. We also have family and friends all the way from Los Angeles. All the way from LA. Make some noise. Mabuhay, and thank you for coming over. We also have family and friends from Nepal. Where are they? Nepal. Thank you. From Makati City. There they are. From Quezon City. UC. From Cavite. Mga Caviteño. And Metro. And Mega Manila. From different parts of the country, different parts of the world, and different parts of Metro and Mega Manila. Thank you very much. Do not leave early because if you do, you will just waste your time in a horrible traffic situation. You will just waste your gas in front, please. The bride and the groom would love to give you something to appreciate your presence today. May we have Clara Racpan, Julia Villalba, Yasmin Miranda, Nicole Santos, Mitch Manaligod, Kevin Santos, Keith Pacolor, Ace Rillo, Sin Yoldi, and Willie Los Loso. If you have heard your name called, may we have you here in front, please? Clara, Julia, Yasmin, Nicole, Mitch, Kevin, Keith, Ace, Sin, and Willie. Come on, let's do this real quick. Can we have you here in front, please? Most famous luxury brands. Kaya ba natin palabasin ang tunog? Yan. Pero bago to, pwede bang mag-jack and boy muna kayong dalawa? Kayong dalawang nasa harap. Okay lang ba? Rock, paper, scissors sa jack and boy. Go! Yon. Ladies, panalo kayo. Ang tanong ko, bigyan natin ng microphone. Ladies, most famous luxury brands. These are clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, perfume, whatever. Global international brands. The question is this a pass or a play? Play, okay. Let's play this category. Go, ladies.
Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton. Let's check if Louis Vuitton is on the list. Survey says it's there on top with 30 points. Good job. Next.
Louis V.
Louis Vuitton. Let's check it if it's on the list. Survey says. Oh, wala. Sorry about that. Next.
Yves Saint Laurent.
Yves Saint Laurent. Let's check if YSL or Yves Saint Laurent is on the list. Survey says. Ay, wala. Sure kayo? Walang YSL? Walang YSL. Sorry. But we love YSL. Ingat kayo, ladies. Let's check if Dior is on the list. Survey says. It's there with 13 points. Good job. You're still in the game, ladies. Next. Gucci. Andiyan ba ang Gucci? Survey says. Oy, sorry, wala ang Gucci. And international landmarks. May 51 points na kayo. Ladies, 0 muna. Gusto niyo upo muna kayo sa couch? Taj Mahal in India. Survey says. It's there with 3 points. You're still in the game. Good job. Next. Let's start. Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. So pwedeng Disneyland in Hong Kong, Disneyland in the US. Survey says. Oops! Sorry about that. Niagara Falls in Toronto, Canada. It's okay, 102. Jackson 5, survey says. And sorry, first mistake pa lang naman. International brands like Sarao. Proud na proud tayo sa Sarao. Subway! Congratulations, ladies! 300